Local news for Monday the 30th of July. Frontier Cooperative Chair John Wilson has stood down from his role and been replaced by Wairarapa man John Monaghan. Monaghan has been a director on the board since 2008 and has assumed the role of chairman. Labour List MP Kieran McAnulty says it is just marvellous that a true Wairarapa man is at the helm of one of our most important companies. It's a great day for the dairy sector and for the region. Police have located and arrested a 38-year-old man who had escaped from custody in the Hut last Monday. He was arrested without incident in Featherston. And in sport, Gladstone are the 2018 Club Rugby champions after beating Carterton 32-10 in the final at Trust House Memorial Park on Saturday. Marist won the plate final and pioneered the senior reserve grade. The crowd, estimated at around 3,000, were joined by 12,000 who enjoyed the live stream of the game via Wairarapa TV.